Good morning, students. Let's continue the topic probability. Today we will discuss about the concept event. Student, as you know, there is a sample space S. Event is the subset of sample space. Events are denoted by E, and E is the subset of S. Let I am throwing a die D. There is a sample space for the die. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we take the case, there is only the even number. So there may be the event E1 is the set of even numbers. When we throw a die and we are getting the even number, so there are the cases 2, 4, 6. So this E1 is the subset of S. Another case, if we take another event in which numbers are the multiple of 3. Numbers coming on the top of the die, it is multiple of 3. So there are the cases 3 and 6. So this event is also the subset of S. So we can say all the events are the subset of the sample space. Student, sample space is the set of all possible outcomes, and event is one of the part of the sample space. Student, now there are type of the events. So first type is impossible event. Student, as you know, null set phi is also the subset of sample space. So if there is a case when the event is phi, so it is said to be impossible event, and probability for this case will be 0. Another sure event. Student, if E equal to S means event is having all the possible outcomes of the random experiment, then it is the sure event, and probability for this case will be 1. Then there is a simple event. Student, if event is having only one outcomes, E that is having only one outcomes, an event is having only one outcomes, then it is said to be simple event. Next is the compound event. Student, if event is having more than one sample space or sample point, if event is having more than one sample point, then it is said to be compound event.